Hey guys, hey, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are subscribed, welcome back. And if you're not, well, hopefully you change your mind and press that subscribe button after this video, or you can do it right now. But today I am going to be doing a unstuffing video. So I'm going to be unstuffing money that I've used or money from my envelopes that I've already spent on my credit card so that I can go back and pay my credit cards back. So I do have my spending written down here, and I am going to be taking the money out of my envelopes to equal the total that I need. So in total I need about $581 or so to go towards my credit card. I already have $693 to go towards my first credit card, so we can count that after and make sure everything is up to par. But first I'm going to go through all my envelopes and just take out what I need for the spending that I already did. Most of the spending I did was either food or Christmas stuff. So like I told you guys in the previous video for the sinking funds update, I am going to be unstuffing my $1 and $5 challenges because that money was intended to use for Black Friday and Christmas spending. And now that that time is here, I need to take this money out and put it back towards my credit cards because I already did go spending. So for the first thing I have is I did go and buy some things at this not essential oils, but it's like a candle making place, but they have like scents and whatnot and fragrances. I did need to re-up on one of the fragrances that I used. It took me about almost 2 years to run out of it, but when I ran out I needed to get it again. So I spent $32 on that. So I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and then I have $2 here. I do have $165 already ready to go to the bank for this credit card number 2. So I'm just going to be adding towards that to equal a total of $581. So I'm going to go ahead and check this off. And then for Secret Santa gifts, I already paid for my gift. I just need to send it. So I have $50 that I need to take out for that. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. Oh, sorry. I'm counting everything. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So that's $50 for Secret Santa. And then for Amazon, I went and bought some gifts off there as well. So that's $57. So I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. And then I have $3 left. So I'm just going to throw this into my Black Friday and Christmas envelope. And that'll be it for Amazon. Next I have Thanksgiving. I did cook Thanksgiving at home, or Thanksgiving dinner at home. So I'm going to take out the $75 and I'm going to put that into the credit card as well because I brought groceries and whatnot on that credit card. Next is we'll do my daily cash envelope binder. Because it took me so long to stuff or cash stuff these envelopes, I was already spending as usual. You guys know me. So I purchased a Prime movie on from Amazon Prime to rent. So I'm going to take out $10 and I'm going to give myself $3 back. So now I have about $8 towards miscellaneous left over, which I think I'm going to use that again in the subsequent envelopes. But dining, I ordered Chick-fil-A because you know that's my favorite. And then I'll just take a 20 and then I'll give myself $4 back. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was $16. And let me see if I have any other food. I don't have any other food items. Okay. So I get to keep the rest of my money. Yay. For the rest of the week. Next is, let me see, gas. And I spent $35 on gas. So I'm going to take out the 220s and I'm going to give myself a 5. So now I have $15 left for gas. And next is going to be my dog. I'm going to take $20 out for her food. So now she has $100, $150, $201. So I'm done with her. I don't think I have anything else from this binder. All right. Next is going to be this, let me see. Next is going to be Rich Auntie. And I already bought some gifts for the kids. So I'm going to take out $40 for that. And now Rich Auntie has 20, 30, 45, 50. So that's still pretty good. Okay, and then household, I need to take out 18. I have 20, so I'm going to give myself back $2 and change. So I have $2 left in household. And then I also have Candle Day, which was 25. So I have 2 10s and a 5. And I have $10 left. It's going to be a real sad day when I'm standing in line for actual candle day and I can only get one candle. But honestly, I used the $25 to purchase wallflowers. They were on sale for like $2 and some change, probably $2.95. So those are what I use the most nowadays. I don't use a lot of candles, not from Bath and Body Works at least. I only burn maybe one candle, you know, and it's not that often. So, but I use my wallflowers all the time. So it's a pretty good exchange for me. Next, I did buy some waist beads. My cousin has a waist beads company, and I had to buy some more. So I need to take out $41. I don't have like a specific envelope for that. That would typically come out of my shopping envelope, but there's no money in it. So I have to kind of pull from other envelopes to make sure I pay that back, because we're not going back into debt, okay? We're trying to get out of it. We're not trying to get deeper into it, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just going to take it from miscellaneous as much as I can. So I have 5, 6, 7, 8, so that's $8. So I have 33 that I need to take some more money from, not from groceries or transportation. I might just take it from dining. I don't know. We'll see. But that's that. Let me see if there's... I don't think there's anything in here I can take it from. I might take it from gifts because, you know, I like to gift to myself as well. You know, I'm just playing. I would say I'm just playing, but then I would be lying. So I'm not going to lie. I'm going to be quiet. No, not taxes. I might take it from my Melissa envelope. Let me take the $3 here from Black Friday and Christmas, because I did buy this for Black Friday. Black Friday and Christmas is not just for other people, but it's also for myself. That's why I include it in my counts when I do my sinking funds updates. And then for the remainder $30, I'm just going to take it out of my Melissa envelope, which hurts my heart, but it's okay. I have until next July to get this money back up. So we have $30 left over in my Melissa envelope. And if I'm going to spend, I need to be able to put that, if I'm going to spend on my credit card, I'll say I need to be able to put that money back on my credit card. So if I got to take money out of my envelopes and it hurts a little bit, I will do that versus going back into debt and not, you know, being able to pay off my credit card. So learn from me. Do as I say, not as I do. Do not spend on your credit cards if you don't have the cash to pay it back. But I'm going to find the cash to pay it back regardless. So let's go ahead and count this money and see what I have. All right, so I have 50, 100. I'm going to move this to the side. 20, 40, 60, 82. 20, 40, 60, 83. 20, 30, 40, 50, 65, 75, 85, 95, 400. 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 500. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So that's 550. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that's right on the money. Like right on the money. Okay, I'm happy about that. So I have 581 here. And then I also have money in here for my first credit card that I also need to deposit. So I'm just going to count this as well to make sure I have the full amount that I'm supposed to have. It's too late. I already added it together. I was going to say I'm not going to count it again because I already just did that, but it's too late. I already added it together. It's okay. Y'all don't mind me counting money, do y'all? Y'all do not mind. Let's see. All right. I'm just going to split this up. 50, 100, 150. 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 40, 60, 82. 20, 40, 60, 83. 20, 40, 60, 84. 20, 40, 60, 85. 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, so 720, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, so 160, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. So we have $1,274 that I'm going to be depositing into the bank. This is all money that I spent on my credit card. This is a little outrageous for me. I really don't spend this much usually, but it's mostly because it's the holiday season and Black Friday, Christmas gifts are due. So I went a little crazy. Kind of blacked out. I didn't black out. I knew what I was doing, but I didn't care. And now we gotta pay this money back. So Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and press that button down below. It really helps out my channel. But until next time, guys, bye.
When we locked eyes, when you passed, couldn't look away.